Hey everyone, Chris with Diesel Power Products, and on this episode of Boost It, we have the Edge Easy Performance Tuning Module and the CTS3 kit here for the 2024 Duramax. This kit is pretty much the only one on the market currently for tuning on the 2024. It's going to have 5 adjustable power levels, up to 63 horsepower and 140 torque that you can adjust on your phone via the app. And this will also connect to your CTS3, so of course you can monitor everything like you always have on the Insights here. All your gauges, you can check and clear codes, you can do a manual regen with this. This whole kit's going to be plug and play, so it doesn't actually tune the truck, so you can remove this pretty easily without voiding any warranties. It also has 7 levels of throttle boosting capabilities, so 7 different levels you can adjust your throttle sensitivity, which is also really nice. So pretty much just an all-in-one package here for you 2024 Duramax guys. If you guys have any questions on this, feel free to give us a call. We have sales techs on the phone from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday. You can also reach us via chats on our sites or send us an email. We're here to give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.